Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make many crochet hats. The link for all these patterns are down below. This is one of my popular hats. If you haven't already seen it, all you need to do is just click on every red link to get to the crochet pattern. All the patterns are free and a lot of them have videos to go with them. Here is another fun crochet hat, which is the crochet ski mask hat. I made this for my daughter many years ago. It has a video that goes with it and she loved that hat. Try the crochet two-tone hat. This is great for football and for college football. You can make your college colors. Try this crochet ruffled hat. It's very popular and trending right now. It is done in many different colors for the ruffles. I use multicolored yarn. Fun to make, and it does come with a video. I love strawberries, so I made this crochet strawberry hat, and it can be done for any size. So easy to make. It does come with a video as well. If you're looking for a night Vikings hat, you can try this one. It's done in many different sizes with a video. This is the crochet half double crochet hat. You can place a flower on it, and this is pretty easy to make, great for the little girls. And if you're into the Cabbage Patch, try this crochet Cabbage Patch hat. So pretty and fun for the little toddlers. Keep your toddler's ears warm with this cute crochet bear hat. Learn how to make a crochet messy bun hat with this step-by-step tutorial. Great for all ages. Also create a crochet shell stitch hat with a step-by-step guide. Beautiful for the young ones, and you can place a pretty flower on the side. I love crochet kitty cat hats. Here is a perfect one to make for all ages and with ear flaps. This crochet basic beanie is great for beginners. You can make it in many different colors. Get ready for the baseball look with this crochet brimmed hat, and it's so easy to make, and it does come with a video. If you're looking for a crochet man's or boy's hat, then this is perfect for you, and you can include it with some stripes. Easy to make. This pattern is for a child for the crochet messy bun hat, and it does have a nice rich brim to it. Super cute when finished. If you're looking for a cute crochet baby hat, then try this one. It does come with a flower pattern, and you can make this in the stripes or just plain. This crochet bow hat is so cute, and it can be done in many different sizes, and it does come with a video. The crochet bucket hat is very popular in the summer and popular among the teens. This one is basic and great for beginners. Get ready for the winter months with this crochet pom hat. You can make it with stripes, you can make it plain. It'll keep your ears warm all winter long. Block out the sun with this crochet sun hat, perfect for spring and summer. Stay warm and cozy with this bulky hat, and you can also place a pom on top. For more of an advanced crocheter, try this crochet checkered hat, and you can also make a crochet checker bag with it. If you love unicorns, you'll love this crochet unicorn hat. Great for toddlers and for teens, for any age. Get ready for the Easter holiday with this cute crochet bunny hat. Super cute with the ears. Get ready for Santa with this crochet toddler Santa hat, and it can be done for older. Just adjust your hook size. Also, that hook size for that toddler needs to probably go down just one. I've been told it's just a little too big. If you love butterflies, then you'll love this crochet butterfly hat, and it looks so pretty with the butterfly type of style on the side of the hat. Crochet a Valentine's hat with this crochet heart hat. It is perfect for that holiday, and it does come with a video. This hat is perfect for kids that love to have pigtails. Super cute when finished. Have fun with this crochet slouchy hat. It looks so cute when it's finished. Also, you can try this crochet puff stitch hat, and it does come with a video tutorial. Another fun hat to make is this crochet cat hat, and it can be done in different sizes and different colors. Another fun crochet hat is this Pokeball hat. Great for any Pokemon fan. Can be done in different type of sizes. Show your support and make this awareness hat for Awareness Month. A way to find more hats is go to the header on top, then click on crochet, then click on hats. It will take you to all of the hats. Click on the red link, it will take you there, and then it will take you to all of the patterns for the hats. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this explanation and ways to find crochet hats. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.